Good morning, guys. How are we? Hope you're well. Let's get the camera right. I hope you're safe. It's an absolutely beautiful day. It is absolutely stunning. From what I can gather, looking at the weather app, which I was showing you earlier, this is going to be probably one of the last sort of warm, sunny days of the year. But we shall see. We'll have to wait and see.
It's charging Leatherface.
Right, yeah. I don't know if you heard that or not. It's you can play around with the shortcuts on your phone. And there's a way of setting it so when you plug the charger in, it'll talk back to you whatever you program into it. I've got two nicknames. One's called Big Chris, and the other one's Leatherface, because I've got quite elasticated skin. So I'm playing around, I played with it. So every time I plug the charger in, it says it's charging Leatherface. So yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, so guys, I've got two runs today, but they're quite long distances. So we shall see. I'm not sure. Again, I say this every week, if I've got enough for 2 vlogs, but I'm not just going to finish it, I don't think, like leaving work. I'm going to put Ran in it more, so it's literally, as soon as I come in from work, I take him out for a walk, spend a bit of time together. Yeah, take him for a walk, spend a bit of time with him, and I know you guys like Ren, as I do too, so I'm going to probably put him on more, because the lad is a legend. He's a really good lad. He's my best mate. So that's everything hooked up, everything ready to go. 2 locations. Yeah, so I think probably a lot of people realise now that I've started live streaming, and I absolutely love it. I absolutely genuinely love it. I love the fact of talking to you guys, sharing stories, getting to know each other. Generally, actually really love it. Really love live streaming. And I was dead nervous at first. The very first one I did, not the weekend gone, the one before, I had literally about 2,500 people watching. Blew my mind. And then the boys jumped on, and yeah, you can see I was getting really nervous. The sweat started to come on. So yeah, I did my second one last week. I generally love it. So what I'm thinking of doing, what I'm going to do, every week I'm going to do a live stream around about 7 or 8 o'clock. I might start it at 7, I'm not too sure, but recently I've been going at 8 o'clock. Bit of like Sunday night chill. Anybody wants to come and jump on, have a laugh, have a chat, anything you want to talk about, anything at all, whatever you're going through, what's going on in your life, what any films you've seen, music, or literally anything at all. Even if you just pop by and say hello, come and say hello. 8 o'clock. If it changes, I'll let you. I'm going to do 8 o'clock this weekend, and then in the future, if it changes, I'll let you guys know on the vlog that comes out in that week. But I'm going to play Warzone at some point on it. And I ain't the best player in the world, I've got to admit. And my mates are. Some of my friends are really good. And I think I mentioned it on the live stream. There's a guy called Steve, brilliant, really good player, really good. On average, he probably gets between 9 and 14 kills a game. So yeah, I mean, I'll die really quick, and I'll just flip through the players, and you can see some of the boys playing. Excuse me, if they jump on, and you can see how good they are. Literally, around this area is so tight. It's so tight to get this big Arctic round sometimes. And people just sit there. It's like, what am I supposed to do, mate? All I have to do is reverse back here. Oh well, it is what it is. So, I mean, I am streaming on YouTube every Sunday, but I'm thinking about maybe at some point jumping on Twitch as well. If I do jump on Twitch, I'll let you guys know. And if you want to come across and say hello, that's fine. It's just 2 different platforms, similar sort of thing, but yeah, I mean, I'm only really new to it, so I'm trying to set up something called OBS Labs, I think it's called, and it's the overlays and it's things you can do inside the streaming setup. So I'm getting to grips with that, and hopefully it should be really good. And like I said before in my previous videos, I get all my royalty-free music. Anybody else? Royalty-free music from a site called Epidemic Sound. So if anyone's wondering where I get the music from, that's where I get it from. And I know I've had a few people say be careful about the royalty music, you might get banned or but no, it's literally it's been set up specifically for people who want to put things on, like videos and YouTube and probably not Instagram because they use all different types of music, but like Twitch and that type of thing. So yeah, take a look. I pay $10 a month and you can download as much as you want. There's some really good tracks on there, as you've seen some of my previous videos. So anyway guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip the camera around, probably get about a minute and a half of time warp before we get to the first location.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point.
How many? 15. How are you? How are you? How are you?
Alright.
I tell you what, 5 minutes up the road, 5 minutes up the road in Gloucester, it's really sunny. It's really sunny, honestly. Literally, as you come down the motorway, you come into Hyde, it goes ratchet. Is the other lad not in today? I don't know, the big guy normally does this. He's not on today. Is what? I bet he's loving that.
So that should be it. I'll put 7 on the side.
Cheers, pal, thank you. So now I've just got to do the straps up. It's a bit of a small load today, there's only 15 on, so it should be okay. Cheers, buddy. That's the last one, isn't it? That's the last one. Yeah. How are you? How are you?
After a few days I see you, yeah?
I know, I've been different runs and stuff.
Oh, I see.
2 bottles of water, please. Good to see people who are wearing masks and...
Oh, I see.
I'll put my wallet.
6-11.
Okay. I think I managed to stop smoking as well.
I see.
Trying to, yeah. I don't smoke in the day at all no more. It's a bad habit.
It's everything in your heart, you know?
Yes,
you
it's...
can control, you can control.
Exactly. It costs too much money as well. Too much money. That's okay. Can you throw that away from me?
Take care.
You too. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. So it's an absolute beautiful day up here. Got my coffee, got my steak slice, shouldn't have done, but I'm hungry. And we're gonna go to Sheffield. We've got to go over somewhere called Woodhill Pass, which I've done before. It's a beautiful, really, really nice, picturesque over the hills. So I'll probably time warp that and get that on camera for you. Yeah, so let's crack on.
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart. Cause I know we won't make it out, I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out.
So this is such a beautiful road on weather like this. It is so nice, and because you're in a truck, you're elevated and you can see so much more than, sorry, the average person in the car. That's what I love time warping this, and obviously slowing it down so you can see how beautiful this area is. It is so pretty.
It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. 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 We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart. Cause I know we won't make it out, I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out, we've heard it all before. It's alright. Hey, it's alright. Hey, it's alright. It's alright.
Morning, mate. Hang on. Let me turn this off. Morning.
How about network?
NEP. Room mirrors adjusted, and one of the benefits of being a lorry driver, especially in the Arctic, you get a bed in the back so you can just chill out. So that's us unloaded now. We're going to go back to the yard and get another load, and I think we're going to another location. And it's a beautiful day, absolutely stunning. Love weather like this, it just makes you feel so much sort of happier, better. I don't like raining, I don't like miserable weather, so we'll crack on.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But
So guys, we're now back at the first location to get another load, and then we're going to do a drop off there. But by the looks of it, we probably might have some collections to do later as well. We'll have to wait and see. I'll put that there. Oh, hey, buddy, all right? Hey?
Yeah, fine, yeah.
Beautiful weather, isn't it?
It's well,
I know, all week. That's the last of the summer. Apparently there wasn't enough boxes on the last one, so they annotated it or something.
yeah. They knew about it, we emailed them.
Did they? Okay.
They should have had the note, what I give you, should have been amended, you know, they should have sorted it out, but...
You look fredders, mate. You're like having a bad day, man.
Ah, it's just a thing, innit? Constant work all the time, it's just fucking...
I know. Working to get somebody else rich.
Well, it seems like that.
And then when you retire, you get what, 5, maybe 10 years of enjoying your retirement. If you've got,
I probably won't ever see retirement.
if you've got any money saved.
Fucking shit, couldn't get fucking rich all the time, man. Just constant all the time.
I know.
Ever since the pandemic, ever since this virus started, it's been absolutely fucking hammered.
Is it?
I had a fucking chance for a break.
But
man.
saying that though, you'd rather be working than...
Yeah, it would be, yeah, but
Yeah.
you know what winds me up when they get furloughed and stuff like that, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
And you fucking,
you're on your own.
you got 80%, then the company will put 20%, so they're getting a fucking wage every month.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You're all fucking working like
But then the work still picks up and then you're left trying to do two men's jobs.
and then they're saying they're going to put the tax up next year. Taxes.
Oh, they will do.
You know what I mean?
They'll put it up for the people that's worked. It is what it is.
You ain't going to win, are you?
No, you can't. You're just a small cog in a big machine, mate. You know. So you've probably seen then what the guy was saying. From what I can gather, it looks like everybody's taxes are going up next year. Obviously the government's got to pay. You've got to get the money back somehow. For people who's worked all the way through, who's had no help from the government, who's not been on furlough, just makes it a little bit unfair, I think. Obviously the people that was on furlough, it's not their fault. You know, it's not their fault there wasn't enough work for them, so they've had to be laid off, but they've still got a job. But, you know, I don't know. I'm not a politician. I'm not going to get there for 3 anyway, you know.
What's that?
I'm not going to get there for 3. So I've got to have a break. That's 45 minutes. Probably be there, probably get there for about just after 2:30.
Well, what, they don't normally take the piss, tip it anyway, don't they?
Yeah.
I don't think they're too high, but I think it'd be better if you fucking took it.
Okay.
What was it like last time you went?
Yeah, it's alright. Not bad. I had to wait there a while, but it's perfectly fine. I don't mind.
Did you take your thing, yeah?
Yeah.
Take you like late on or?
Oh no, they drop the wagon and come off. Thing to do with everybody now.
Find you out at?
Oh, it depends. Sometimes, probably about 4:30.
Yeah, I don't see it. No. It seems pretty late back, so.
Yeah.
But like I say, normally you normally take the time anyway, so.
Okay. No, I don't think so either. So, we've got one, we're getting loaded here, and then we've got one more location, and it's the location that we go to. We drop the trailer actually on the yard, and then we've got to drive out of the, like I've got somebody else here. Sorry, I'm talking about as if you was here as well. Got to drop the trailer, unhook it, and we drive away from the depot where we'd be getting unloaded and sit outside, and then they give us a call back when it's been unloaded. Drive in, hook up, back for tea and biscuits. Easy as that. So guys, if you're new to my channel and you like my content, do me a big favour please. Maybe leave the video a like. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, I really appreciate it. It helped me out a lot trying to grow my channel. If you've not watched the beginning of the video, I do a stream every Sunday, normally about 8 o'clock, might do it a little bit earlier. I've just done a couple up to yet, and it's just talking, asking questions, you know, just having a laugh, having a crack, anybody wants to know anything, that type of thing, so I can get to know you guys and you can get to know me a bit more. Probably going to play games in the future on there, like Call of Duty. Ain't the best, but you know, it's all about having fun, and hopefully you can come and chill on a Sunday evening with me and come say hello. And also, if you want to leave a comment in the comment section below, I read every single one. I can't reply to every single one, but I do read them all. You know, I will reply to some of them. So guys, yeah, I hope you enjoy my video. Easy as that, again. So I just have to open the doors now, unhook the trailer, and then go and park outside there and wait to get unloaded. So there's not really much content here, to be honest.
When it seems like you have lost control.
Always worries me when I take them airlines off because the air coming off. Probably a little bit of anxiety thinking they'll not put the brakes on or something. Always do though. Finally, another day done. Now to go to the office to see the guys in the office, give them the keys, and then home to see my boy. Hello. Hello. You miss me? You had a nice sleepy day. No. Oh. You okay? You okay? Yeah. Come on then. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.